Hello everybody, today in front of me I have DOOGEE S86 PRO smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 tips for this device. Let's start with the fact that you can set the fingerprint as the unlock method on this device. So in order to do that, open up the settings. Here look for the fingerprint category, go for it. In prior of setting any biometrics, should it be the fingerprint or Face ID, you will be required to set the backup unlock method as well from the list of pattern, pin or password. Of course, if you do not have them already set. In my case, I'll go with pattern, draw the pattern that I would like to use. Next, confirm it. So let's go ahead and start enrolling the fingerprint sensor that is located at the right side of your device, right below the power button here. Here is the sensor. So let's lay and lift our finger gradually. Make sure to slightly tilt it each time we lay it in order for the entire surface of our fingerprint to be scanned. Alrighty, great success. The fingerprint has been enrolled. Let's try it out. Great success. The second tip is the fact that you can set another biometrics as your unlock method. That is your face. And let's open up the settings again. Go for the Face ID. Here, confirm the pattern that we've set, or PIN or respectively password. In order to enroll the face, all you gotta do is to place your face inside the circle frame and get it scanned. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so my face has been successfully scanned. Let's test it out. Great success. As you could just see, the face recognition works just fine. Next tip we would like to share in this video is the fact that you can change the navigation type from the digital buttons as it is right now to gestures and vice versa. In order to be able to do that, open up the settings, look for the navigation bar settings category, and here you can choose like from two options. Should it be the virtual key or virtual buttons or the gestures navigation. Once the virtual key is set, you are also able to change the style and the order in which these buttons are placed. So let's go ahead and go for the gestures navigation. As you can see, this digital buttons have been successfully replaced with the gestures bar. As you can see right now, I'm navigating through my phone via gestures with no issues and problems. So choose what navigation type works for you better. And also, once the virtual key variant is enabled, we can hide the navigation bar. So this arrow appears here, and well, once we tap on it, the virtual buttons are getting successfully hidden. Or we are able to choose the background color as well. Let's call for these buttons, and as you can see right now, I've chosen it to be pink, and the background of the section where these buttons are located at is being changed. You can set any custom color basically. Great success. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the next step, which basically is the entire settings category that is called Intelligent Assistance. It has this many functions and features that you can either turn on or turn off. For example, you can make so that once we flip the phone, it will mute all incoming calls. The Smart Answer, which will make so that when you receive the incoming call, it will put your phone near your ear, and when you will put the smartphone near your ear, it will automatically answer the call. Anti-fake touch mode, which will, well, just exclude the possible mistouches and mistaps, and make the touch sensor more responsible, or should I say more intelligent. We can also turn on the 3-finger screenshot option. As you can see, once turned on, I can make the 3-finger swipe down and it will take the screenshot of our display. And right below this 3-finger screenshot, we have this 3-fingers get start split screen. So As you can see, it will make the same swipe movement we did with the screenshot, but not downwards but upwards. It will enter the split screen mode, where we can split the screen between any two given apps. So right now I'm splitting my screen between the settings and the Google Chrome. We're also able to calibrate the sensor, the touch sensor of our smartphone, if we feel like it does not work properly. The emergency rescue functions that we can set and personalize. Jump to camera function, which makes so that once our phone is locked, we can double click the down button of volume rocker and open the camera. Great success. Alrighty. And like the last switch that we are able to alter is called lift to wake, and basically once enabled it will turn on the screen if it is locked and we have just lifted the phone. And the final tip for this video is called DOOGEE Speed, and it's also the separate category of settings. So scroll down, find the DOOGEE Speed, open it. Basically what this setting do is you set what apps you're gonna give the run in background permission. So once enabled, you can either like switch it on or switch it off. Here, by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner, you can either turn the permission for the apps to work in background for all the apps from this list, or respectively turn it off. So basically just make so that the app do not slow down the phone by running in the background. And once enabled, it improves the speed of the apps that are actually running in the background, that this permission they have it on. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial, or should I say video review. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.